So, looking at my notes, it occurred to me that I skipped over something in the dictionaries, and that's editing the data that's already in there, adding new elements, and deleting elements. So, let's have a look at editing. So, we'd have, say, Steve name, and we want to change it to Stephen. Oh, yeah, and then we need to tell it to print. Oh, no, there. Print Steve. So now we've got the change name. We want to add a new element. Adding, and we can just do, let's get rid of this other stuff. And so, I don't know what we want to add. Let's say his biggest fear. For some reason, what kind of friend is going around writing down their friend's biggest fears? Don't know, but let's do that. So, and then when we run it, we can see that it's added his fear to the dictionary. And then if we want to delete something, so we've got that print in there, and then it's just pop as well, same as it is in a list. So steve.pop, but instead of doing the number, well, let's do it this way. We'll run this. Oh, and then we haven't printed it afterwards, have we? And then we will give which item we want to pop. So we'll pop the fear back off. So there it is with the fear, and there it is without the fear. So those are what I missed from dictionaries, and we'll have a look at the next thing in the next video. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I'll put out some more stuff like this.